Story time!
In a sparkling world beneath the waves, a little fish danced through water droplets. Her joy radiated like sunbeams, her laughter echoing in the deep blue. Suddenly, a great splash shattered the stillness. Waves tumbled, bubbles erupted, and curiosity tugged at the playful swimmer. Arriving at the scene, the little swimmer found a towering figure, forlorn and bulky. The swing lay in ruins, its magic lost. From the depths, a clever creature descended. 8 flexible arms flared as bright ideas bubbled forth. "Let's make something new," he exclaimed. Collaboration brightened the day. A whirlwind of colors filled the coral playground as shells gleamed and seaweed twisted into ropes. As muscles flexed, a realization dawned. Size could be a superpower. Heavy stones became playthings and laughter rang out in harmony. Their efforts birthed joy. The new design shimmered like a treasure. Swings for giants, slides for littles, a world crafted for everyone. With giggles and splashes, they explored the playground, joy intertwined with friendship, each corner alive with delight. And in that vibrant space, 3 different friends shared one heart. Together, they celebrated kindness and teamwork as if casting a spell of happiness. Beneath the sunset's glow, laughter mingled with the sea breeze. A promise lingered in the water, a forever friendship built on kindness. In their shimmering realm, dreams cozied up to the stars. For in friendship, magic resided, a bond deep as the ocean itself. Every swirl, every bubble carried their laughter forth. The playground stood tall as a testament. Together, they were unstoppable.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.